Hello future millionaire and welcome to our video. Today we're going to talk about the top 3 mistakes to avoid in managing personal finances. Our tips are a great start to put into practice what the concept of personal finance proposes, but you also need to be aware of the mistakes you might make along the way. Leave your like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on amazing tips like this. See which attitudes to avoid. Not talking about finances at home. One of the most common mistakes in personal finance is treating the subject as a taboo and not talking about money with your partner, children, and other people who live with you and share expenses. It is very important to introduce the topic into everyday life and discuss the budget together so that everyone takes responsibility for financial management and pursues the same goals. Losing control of the budget. People often start recording expenses and earnings and get excited about it, but get discouraged and leave the habit aside over time. If you want to better manage your money, you need to make financial control a daily, weekly, and monthly commitment. Remember, this is what will define your ability to achieve your goals and have a better future. Invest before paying off your debts. Do not make the mistake of starting to invest before paying off all your debts, as you will certainly pay higher interest rates than you will receive in income. It may seem like a good idea, but believe me, with this attitude you will only lose money and postpone your earning possibilities. Did you like the tips for adopting the concept of personal finance in your life? Tell us in the comments if you already followed any of the practices and which ones you intend to adopt. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Share this video with people who need this type of content. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips on how to get rich in 2023.